No, they're behind the barn. They're behind the barn. What? Run up to the barn. We're gonna run up to the barn, right?
No. We need to get back in the woods.
Why?
No.
We're gonna go up to the barn. They're running.
Hang on. This thing hasn't ran yet. I'll be good for this clear. Let's go.
Alright, we're gonna run up to the barn, alright?
Okay.
Thanks for using me as a bodyguard. Run. He's it! You good? You're out? Hey, good job. Where's Caleb? Pissed on me. God, my ears are frozen right now. Are you out?
Yeah, dude. I think use this pistol.
Is it out? Load it up.
It's loaded right now. How many scroll that?
Hit! Yeah! Yeah! Seth, he's coming up around the barn. Seth, he's going in the corner. Seth! Seth! Oh, crap. Oh crap, that's not good. Seth! I hit him! Are you out, Josh? Oh, no. Oh crap. Surrender.
I hit you, dude.
No, you didn't. Actually, you hit the. You not hear the fence?
You got me.
Ah, it splits. I'm really surprised you did not hit me. I jumped on. No, I promise you didn't. I would have felt it. That's a CO2 gun. Hit.
As you see at the end of the video, it was pretty much a tie game at the end because where he shot me, I shot him, and then he shot me at almost literally at the same time. So that was a tie game at the end. But the first game, our team won. So it was a pretty much all-win game. Thanks for watching the videos. Please like and subscribe, and I'll make more. Peace.